Unlock the secrets to those irresistible, driving beats that define progressive house. We'll start with the foundation, solid kick pattern in Ableton Live. You can create this directly in a MIDI track for progressive house. A consistent 4/4 kick is a great starting point. Around 125 to 128 BPM. Feel free to experiment with velocity to add subtle dynamics. Now, let's layer in some essential percussion. Open up your drum rack and add a clap or snare on the two-hand for you can use a classic clap, or explore different snare samples for unique textures. A crisp open hat on the off beats will immediately add that dance floor energy. But the real magic happens with groove. Select your MIDI clips, then go to the groove pool here. You can load pre-made swing templates or create your own for progressive house. A slight humanization or a subtle swing can make all the difference. Drag and drop the groove onto your clips, and listen to how it instantly brings them to life. Don't stop at the core. Let's add shakers, rides, and other percussive elements to fill out the rhythm. Experiment with different placements and velocities. Try automating decay times on your hi-hats or adding subtle panning to create width and movement. Layering is key. Combine different snare or clap sounds to create a richer, more complex percussive hit. You can even use audio clips and chop them up to create unique rhythmic phrases. The goal is to build a cohesive and evolving beat that naturally propels your track forward. With drum programming, groove quantization, and careful layering, you're well on your way to crafting compelling progressive house grooves. Now go experiment and make your beats infectious.